Hello, fourth graders. Back at math class, we're on to something new today. We're going to be working with some division. So let's talk about our I can statement a little quick, and we'll have a little bit of discussion about it and go from there. So it says I can solve division word problems with remainders. Okay. So division, we know what that is when you basically it's the opposite of multiplication. So if I've got, let's say, 3 times 2 equals 6, okay, a related fact for division, as I take the product here, that becomes my lead number. So if I have 6 divided by 2 would equal 3, all right? So that divided by sign is kind of like having, is splitting up into smaller groups. So 6 items divided into 2 groups equals 3 groups. Right? Or 3 in each group. Here I could say here's 6 items divided into groups of 2 is going to give me 3 groups. So that's what division is. And we talked about this last year in 3rd grade a lot. Okay? So I know that once we get into this, you're going to have, it's all going to kick back. That memory is going to kick back. The new word here that we see is remainders. All right? A remainder is something that's left over. Okay? So, leftovers, okay, so something that's left over. If I give you something simple here, in word problems, I'm sorry, let me just go to that. Word problems is obviously something that we've been dealing with all year, is math problems that are written out as words, okay? So we'll get to that too, but a quick little understanding here is, if I've got, here these are M&Ms, okay? If I've got 5 M&Ms, and I say, all right, here's 5 M&Ms, and I want to divide those into 2 groups. So if I say I have 5 M&Ms, and I want to divide that down into 2 groups, okay? And what is that going to equal? So I see these 5 here, and I say, all right, I want these 5, and I want to put them into 2 groups. So here's a group, and here's a group. So what I would do, just like anybody would do, is say, all right, I'm going to give this group 1 and this group 1. That's even. And then I'll give this group 1 and then this group 1. That's even. But I can't give this group 1 and not give that group 1. That wouldn't be fair. So division, we talked about this last year, is that you need to be fair. So when I divide 5 into 2 equal groups, I'm going to get 2 in each group. So my answer here would be 2. But there's an extra one. This is what we call the leftover, or what was that word again? That's right. If you said remainder, you're correct. And when we do remainder, we just use this little r, and we'll say remainder 1. So 5 divided into 2 groups equals 2 remainder 1. So you see how I had 5. I put 2 in each of my groups, and I'm left over remainder of 1. Okay? So it'd be 2 remainder of 1. So check out the video that I have on the next page here. It's from Khan Academy. It's a quick little video. It's a good little video to explain to you what remainders are all about. And then after that, we're going to jump into our problem set and just get a jump start on division with remainders. Hang tight. We'll be right back.